The scramble shake holds significant importance in the summer season, offering a refreshing hydrating solution for those hot, busy days. As temperature rises, the need for quick, nutritious, and cooling meals options become essential. The scramble shake not only quenches thirst, but also provides the necessary nutrients to maintain energy levels and support active lifestyle during the summer months. Its convenient format is perfect for the go consumption, making it an ideal choice for outdoor activities, travel, and summer sports. Moreover, its light and satisfying formula helps individuals stay nourished without feeling weighed down, promoting overall health and well-being in the heat of summer. So good day, investors. Today we'll be going to propose a business that is timely relevant to our season right now, which is the summer. For us to explain more our business proposal today, for the executive summary, we have Mr. Raprapilos. For our company description, we have Ms. Maria Elma Falcor. For the opportunities, we have Ms. Rhea May Balabad. For the offerings, we have Ms. Marcelina Lisayao. For the industry analysis, Ms. Mary Judy Quito. For the target market research and definition, Ms. Joanna Periso Magaysay. And for the financial and cash flow, Ms. Maria Chelo Sarveda. So this is the team that we will be going to discuss the business proposal today. Okay, so for the executive summary, Mr. Robert Pilos will discuss the overall or the introductory part of the proposal.
Okay, for the executive summary of our business. So introducing Scrabble Shake, a frozen beverage like no other. We mix powdered milk, condensed milk, and various toppings to create a customizable, affordable, and nostalgic treat for everyone. Our shakes stand out for their unique flavors and textures, allowing customers to tailor their experience. We plan to promote Scrabble Shake through social media, highlighting its varied colors and fun vibe. So by setting up storefronts in busy locations and offering special deals, we aim to boost sales and build brand awareness, and with a profitable business model and a dedicated team. So Scrabble Shake is a promising investment for those interested in the frozen treat and industry. So for the company description, may I call in Miss?
So for our company description, at Scramble, we offer a tasty grade of rice, perfect for families and anyone looking for satisfying budget-friendly indulgence. So our experience is not your average treat. It's a fun craft, delicious masterpiece in a cup. We blend classic ingredients like powdered milk and condensed milk with a variety of exotic toppings to add touch of creativity. So with Scramble, the possibilities are endless as you can choose from a wide range of toppings to create a flavor combination that truly represent you. From classic chocolate chips to fruity bursts and crunchy delights, there's something for everyone to enjoy.
For the opportunity to determine the interest in our Scrabble combinations product, we carried out market research concentrating on consumers' preferences and snacks consumption trends. So these involve studying snacks habits, pinpointing areas in the market for nostalgic and convenient treats, and assessing the desire for straightforward yet indulging snacks choices. Our product meets this demand by offering convenient and tasty snacks that combines powdered milk and sweet condensed milk, creating a creamy and satisfying bake, with additions of colorful sprinkles and marshmallow as toppings. We enhance both the visual appeals and flavor profile, making it an appealing treat for people of all ages. Bird product is convenience in a key selling point. It's easy to prepare and enjoy while on the move, catering to the fast-paced lifestyles, a late-night snack. Our scramble combinations provide the nostalgic and comforting experiences, satisfying the market needs for straightforward yet fulfilling delights. We offer a treat as rich and sweet as condensed milk, with a magical touch that adds an unexpected burst of flavor. Stuffed with marshmallow, our delightful creation will have you coming back for more. So our product offers a perfect balance of convenience and pleasure with a versatile and delicious blend. It caters to a various culinary creation by offering a ready-to-use mix. It saves time and effort, removing the hassle of measuring and mixing the multiple ingredients. So customers can customize their traits by adjusting the mix quantity of adding extra ingredients to match their taste. So whether it's kids enjoying the sweetness of marshmallow or adults that finding comfort in the warmth of a scramble, our product cater to a diverse range of our customers. So here's the product and service feature of our business. The first is convenient and tasty snack blend of powdered milk and sweet condensed milk with colorful toppings. So the benefits of the customers offers a creamy and satisfying bliss, enhancing the visual appeal and a flavor profile for enjoyable treats for all ages. So here in the first features of our business is the customers they can color or decorate their toppings on. And also the second is easy to prepare scramble combination, ideal for fast-paced lifestyle. So provide a quick and nostalgic snacks experience. So it means, easy to prepare, it means the on-the-go enjoyment of a lunchtime pick-me-up or a late-night treat. So the third is the comfortable snack experience. So here is the comfortable snack experience that it features the same times and efforts with the ready-to-use blend. And the last is make and design their own scramble. So these features or allow the customers to customize their own toppings and also the ingredients of their creating or memories with their loved ones.
So for the industry analysis, the powdered and condensed milk markets, along with the sprinkles and marshmallow markets, are experiencing steady growth driven by their versatility and popularity in various applications. Leading brands like Nestle dominate these markets, catering for families, bakers, and the food service industry. The combination of powdered milk, condensed milk, sprinkles, and marshmallows offers a versatile and convenient solution for dessert preparation, appealing to consumers seeking quick, visually appealing treats. However, competition is fierce, requiring differentiations through unique features and quality to stand out. Addressing consumer preferences for healthy options could further enhance market potential, making product innovations and strategic marketing crucial for success in the baking and confectionery sectors. So next is a target market research and definition. So target market research delves into who your ideal customers. It involves gathering and analyzing information to understand their demographics, their needs, and behaviors and buying habits. This research helps define your target market as specific group most likely to be interested in your products or services. So by knowing your target market, well, you can tailor your marketing messages, pricing, and product development to resonate with them. So imagine you're selling scramble shake. You wouldn't advertise to people who dislike or live in the cold climate, right? So target market research is like figuring out who's most likely to buy your products. So you ask people
people questions to see if they like or how much they paid, then it use this info to target your ads to people who love.
Good day everyone, so I'm here in front of you to introduce to you the marketing officers that this company need and will lead this company into success. So here first is the CEO or the owner of this company. So the CEO or the chief executive officer will be the one to manage and lead this company to success. So the CEO of this company is Miss Mary Joy Diquito. So up next is the accounting officer. The accounting officer is Miss Maria Cielo Sarveda. She will be the one to manage the money, the financial, and the budget. Up next is the marketing. So the marketing includes the advertising manager and the sales supervisor. So the marketing officer or the marketing manager is Miss Roldizelli Paragas. She will be the one to manage the advertising manager and the sales supervisor. So up next is the advertising. So Miss Maria Elma will be the one to manage the advertising so that we can able to we can able to introduce our product properly and we can engage more. So last for the marketing is Miss Marcelina Lisayo. So she will be the one supervising the sales. So she will be the managing the sales of if the sales will rise and if the sales will go down. Then up next is the operations. The operation manager here is Mr. Rap Tilos. So Mr. Rap Tilos will be managing the two officers. So the officers that will copy and the officers that will take note the what will be the possible, what will be the strengths, what will be the weakness of this company. So last and not the least is the HR manager. So the HR manager will be the one will task to recruit, or she will be the one to interview the workers, or maybe another set of officers that will enhance, that will guide or will improve the company. So that's all for the officers that this company need.
The financial health of a company goes beyond just profitability. Well, an income statement tells you how much money a company is making, but it doesn't reveal the whole story about it. So this part, I am going to show you or provide a detailed picture of where cash is flowing in and cash is flowing out, and that is called the cash flow statement. This statement is a crucial tool for investors, creditors, entrepreneurs like us, and even company management itself. It sheds light on the company's ability to generate cash, manage its expenses, and ultimately meets its financial obligations. So we have here the cash flow operations. Cash received from clients or customer, we earn 186,300 a month, and other miscellaneous operation we have 40,500 with a total of 229,500. We have the cash paid for purchase of inventory 39,659 pesos. General and administrative expense we have 20,000 pesos. Salary with wages expensive, you have 36,000 pesos. Interest paid barmaid, you have 5,000 pesos a month. And income tax paid 5,000 pesos with a total of 105,659. Net cash flow operations is 123,841 pesos. 229,500 plus 105,659 equals 230,264 a month. We earn that kind of money. So the money and the profit we have a month, we have 123,841 pesos. So as my co-business mentioned earlier, we have a promo every day. So I am going to discuss our daily selling scoop or scramble. A day we have 3 different types of cups. We have 6 ounce, 8 ounce, and 12 ounce. For our 6 ounce, we sell them for 20 pesos, and for our 8 ounce, we have 30 pesos, and for the 12 ounce, 50 pesos. So a day, we estimated 100 cups a day for the 6 ounce. It is 2,000 pesos, and for the 8 ounce, this is for 40 cups, 2,400 pesos. If we sell 40 cups a day, and then for the 50 cups, it's for 40 cups, so 12 ounce, we have 2,500. So a month, we earn 186,300, and that's only for the 6 ounce, 8 ounce, and 12 ounce. And for the promo, we have 2 hours a day. They can choose whatever the flavor they like and their cups or the scramble they wanted to make. The flavor that they wanted to choose. So for the promo, we have 150 pesos per hour. We estimated like 10 hours a day. 10 hours a day. So you can earn 1,500. So in a month, you can earn 40,500 pesos. And for the last part, it offers, this cash flow statement offers a dynamic perspective on a company's financial well-being, revealing the lifeblood, the cash that keeps the business running. And that's all. Thank you for listening. Thank you so much, and God bless.
Okay, that's all for our business proposal today. I hope our business will be approved by the investors. That's all for today. Good day and God bless.